there's a lot of stuff here that you're gonna find that's gonna be like, oh, I really like this. Like the Tom Sawyer boats and the canoes, also the pirate ship and the BB gun range. One of my favorite parts is the pirate ship and the Tom Sawyer boat. They're really fun.
So what we really liked about McNeill is the different activities for the kids to do in their free time. We really like the pirate ship. They like the Tom Sawyer boats. So it's really nice. This is a place where everyone's got something they can do in their downtime. There's just a lot of options to do stuff.
I like going in the mine shaft. I also like the pirate ship.
I really like going in the mine shaft with all the tunnelers. And we shot BB guns and arrows.
The kids get really excited, especially the ones who haven't been here before. You know, the ones who have been here are telling the new kids all about the mine shaft and the pirate ship. You know, their BB guns and archery are always a big hit. And we have a couple of kids who really enjoy the arts and crafts. If you're looking for a good camp to bring your pack, it is hard to go wrong with Camp McNeill. We have so many things here that just make it a really well-rounded camp. The food is fantastic, you know, a little bit of everything to offer everyone.
It's the best camp that I know of anywhere.
We just come out and have a really good time and hang out with our pack members and watch them as they go through all the fun Cub Scout stuff.
I would definitely recommend McNeill. Everything's pretty centrally located. I like the organization of it. We have never had an issue being able to be accommodated at McNeill. It has always been very accepting. It has always been very accommodating, whether it was food issues, whether it was accessibility. As a parent with a child who has special needs, it's really important to me that we've been able to do that for other kids.
My favorite part of Camp McNeill is making new friends, getting the experience of being here, and actually just having fun with everybody around me.